Welcome back to Too Good to Know. I'm John. Today we're going to review the Monument Rotisserie attachment kit. It's for the large 6-burner grill. It's the 96222. This thing, I've already unpacked it. I just want to show you the boxes that it came in. So it's actually double boxed and at some points triple boxed. So it comes with the outer box, then it comes with another box, and then it comes with a protective section on it. All right, and then your main stuff comes in the 2 little box. Only thing that was free floating in here was the rod. Let's do the equipment. All right, so it came with the instructions, and you do need a little bit to know how to put the side on. Came with the power box that actually makes it turn. It comes with the rod. It comes with the rod brace. Okay, you want to put that on the screwed, the threaded end. It comes with the handle. It also has a little ring on the end to hang it. Just going to go ahead and screw this on. All right, just want to tighten it down a little bit because you're going to have to adjust it when we get it mounted on. This is where it rests on the grill, right side or left side. It came with the two forks, and it has a little mounting bracket which just comes with the bracket itself, 2 screws that'll take Phillips or flathead, and it comes with 2 little looks like washers. Okay, and that's it. So we're going to go ahead and mount this and put it together, but these right here just show you have to unloose them first. They're all screwed down in there. Now you want to get these right on one of these flat edges, and it would behoove you to make sure they're both on the same flat ledge. So if you stop it and something goes wrong and you need to adjust them, they're right there where you stopped it. You won't have to turn it on and turn it again to find the other screws. So they both need to be pointing towards the opposite direction or pointing inward. Yeah, make sure these are lined up together, okay? That way when you stop it and you need to adjust it, they're both right there for you to work on. All right, we're gonna go over to the grill. And like I said, all it is the mount, 2 screws, and 2 little washers. And I have my Phillips head screwdriver. So we'll go over to the grill and set it up. Here's my 6-burner Monument grill. We're over here on the side burner. So we're just gonna move right over here to the side. And we'll zoom in a little bit. There's the 2 little holes this goes in. So basically, let's pull this up. It'll go in like this. You'll go ahead and put your black washer on. Get this up here. Go ahead and screw it on. Very quick mount. Get the other washer, put it on the other one. and screw them in and just tighten them down. Good and snug. Right, we have these little grooves. And they just slide in on this right here. We'll point it in. We'll go in here. And then if Rebecca would come over here to this.
Oh, you got it.
This is where I told you don't tighten this down. You want to get it in there real good. And just try to center it. And then tighten this down. And then we're going to plug it in and see if it comes on. All right, this top shelf to run this, then that's come off. This pulls right out. Just remember when you put it back, put the straight 90-degree edge up under this lip right here, and that's the way it goes. All right, we're going to turn it on. And we have turnage. It's good, nice, slow turn. We got our windows clean so we can see down in there. Probably a little glare from the sun, but you can see down in there.